live on, you know. It's on. We don't need it right now. They must start playing with me ear as soon as I come out. The hell? Let's see if him show up. Ready. We're ready. We're ready. We born ready.
Born ready.
Good evening, kings and queens. Are the trenders here yet? Are their bus run out of gas? And trenders are still on the side of the highway waiting for gas because they run out of gas on their way getting over here to the chocolate and vanilla factory. Yes, besties, I want you all to look and see if there are any trenders in the house yet. Yes, we're sending out looking for the trenders.
Where are they?
Where are the trenders? Somebody check. Somebody, one of the king and the queen, bring them a little gas to me, please. Because the ears of them bus run out of gas on the side of the road.
Broke down.
Yes. So, we need to get them here tonight and deal with them case. You understand? Big up everybody in the house.
Big up, big up, big up.
Yes, we are waiting on the trendsetter. For dial in. With him screen, with him split screen. You understand? Because we're not back down from nobody. We're not back down from the competition. So, what we ever doing in the meantime?
Oh, we have one or two trenders gradually.
Them tell me they must walk.
Them catch a ride.
Or them catch a ride.
None of the
Or
boss.
they jump in a taxi. And left the rest of them. They left the boss in a bus on the side of the road. What kind of supporter gonna be? Eh? We're not gonna run left on the boss on the side of the road and come over here. I don't know, so whether you have to done him tonight. Whether you have to use him and map the floor with tonight. Yeah? Yeah? So, in the meantime, till the bus get here, we know so today at the Honorable Robert Nesta Marley birthday. Yes, man. Today we know so at the king of reggae. Yeah? The king of reggae birthday. So I could drop the first love song till them get here from the...
Enjoy the request.
Enjoy the prayer on the out.
No, enjoy.
Oh, you're watching?
But you need for join.
When you watch with us. When they tell us to watch with, when you did that watch with us.
Stop going like you're scared, Dwayne.
Eh? When you have to play hide and seek. When they tell us to one challenge with the hide and seek. Yeah? We tell us to step up in this. Step up in this. I'm going to play the love song, the first one from Robert Nesta Marley. All this. Make a pull up something and test out the sound. Yeah.
All right.
We have to test out the sound. We have to test out the sound.
We have to test it.
We have to test it till him decide to come in with his coward self. You understand?
Yeah. You don't say you're scared, Dwayne, but don't worry yourself. What? Don't worry yourself. Yeah, we don't say you're going to ball later, but hush.
Yeah, we know you're
hush yourself.
All right.
Yeah, hush you from now, okay?
So for all the Bob Marley fans, them, aye, what we say? You with the roof right over our heads. We'll share the shelter of my single bed. We'll share the same room. Oh, Jah provide the bread. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling? I wanna know what's when trending drama monster, we keep requesting you. What you doing? Where are you? Come on in. So I show my cards on your table. I wanna love and treat you. Love and treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every night. We'll be together. What we say, with the roof right over our heads, we'll share the shelter of my single bed. Yes, the Robert Mr. Money. Yes, the King's birthday today. All right, so my call, look at you when I say.
Hello. What happened to you? You scared?
Oh, you're having technical difficulties?
I didn't accept something went wrong. This may due to a technical error that we're planning to get fixed. And we've been doing this for a few days back. The systems can't reloaded and reload. I sent you a picture, check your WhatsApp.
All right. All right. Train. If I have technical difficulties over here, in sound brought down.
Listen. Let me put it out there, guys. I was coming to wipe the floor with both chocolate and Billy's head tonight, right? I was coming for the trophy. No way to lie. I was coming for the
Bergamo.
They was gonna get the hell. No way to lie.
Bergamo. It seems like you have a Bergamo twin. You're full of chat. You're full of chat, man. Are you full of so much
All
chat?
right. Now worry yourself, King. I know you feel fault if you have technical difficulties. We're not gonna say you're wrong. You understand you have technical difficulties, and we're glad you take up the challenge. All right? So just tune in and enjoy. I know you really do. When you fix your problem, you can spin out a challenge to it. It don't have to be long song. It can be, make up another challenge. I would love to challenge you because it's all fun.
Hey, what?
Yeah.
I want to try and get Kingston 13. Come over.
Yeah.
And do it for us.
All right. We're not running from nobody. Nobody know we're not running from. Yeah, we're not afraid of nobody. Anybody want to take up a challenge? We're there. But in the meantime, we're not going to wait. In the meantime, we're not going to wait, kings and queens. We're going to go through with all the love songs. And what we're going to do, we're just going to take out random people out of the audience tonight and bless them with credits. So it's over tonight. So you stay up on the live, we're going to pull your name and give your credits. If you don't want the credits, you can always make we donate it to somebody else. 10 people we're going to pick out of the crowd, out of the audience tonight and bless with credits. All right? So, if you work out or we want you to work out, them bars run. You understand? All right. Yes, in have technical difficulties. Technical difficulties. All right? But we're not on technical difficulties over here. We're going to push through. We're going to push through and we're going to play some of our favorite love songs for you guys tonight. All right? We're going to start out with a couple. I'm going to stop laughing off of them, man. Why? And that's what I don't like telling them, because, see them now? I'm not going to laugh off of my friend. Yeah. No, I can't laugh after it. I don't laugh after it. I can play my one love song too. I can play a song too. I have something for everybody. You understand? So before we go in at it door, I want to tag Lady V for me. And somebody tag Lady V for me. And let me know when Lady V reach in the feed. All right, somebody tag Queen Lady V for me. All right, big up on yourself. The show still go on. We still gonna have a good time. Yes, we're gonna celebrate love tonight. Not about it tonight.
I'm gonna be gentle with Dwayne, you know. I'm gonna be gentle with him.
Nothing about it tonight. It's all about love, as always, over here in the chocolate and vanilla factory. All right? Yes, it's all about love tonight. Never take on a back. Never take on in the forward. Never pull it in the middle. Because we have all genre of love songs. Whether you're not going to reggae, whether you're not the English. We can't play all the English them. You understand? We just have to play them a little bit and then we have to go on our next one. On the tag, Lady V for me and let me know when Lady V is in the building because I have a song for the Queen tonight. Yes, big up on herself. Make we start off the man. Make we start the thing now. When I know the bag attack. When I know the bag attack. Oh, we're not in the bag attack. So, you know what now, we're going to start off with. We're going to one first. We don't want the regular one them first. All right, we're going to do all it one day. Let's go start off with this. Yes, I'm going to want to tell you that the people in the love zone tonight, you understand? Alright? We're going to start with the Harleys. Then we're going to walk over here. We're going to walk over here. Alright? Send me the when we say, send me the pillow. Yes. So darling, I can each night while I'm sleeping, I'm so lonely. I'm Joe from Magazine, representing all the lovelies tonight. Hey, get your water. Get your water and drink. Yes. Get your partner. If you don't have one, love it from yourself. It's all good. Hiya. Hiya. You know, the greatest love of all, loving yourself. Someone want to hear about content and say they know nobody say, love of God. What about you? Yes! Hey! Come in now! Send me that pillow. Don't you know that I still care for you? Hi! Come on, sing it down, sing it more, please! It's all about the hearts tonight! Hey! So darling, I can dream of you. Oh, sit down and take lessons, trending drama. I know you can listen tonight. Hey! I've waited so long for you to write me. Hi! But just a glimpse of what's left of me. I will be staying. Need a pillow. Don't you know that I still care for you? Oh, need a pillow that you dream of. So darling, I can dream of. So what we say, what we say, what we say? Hey! I'm from a little cottage in the green. I wrote this lines. I miss the cottage in the green. I love you, from a little cottage way down west in England. This message is it time for your love. Keep love kissing. I'm a little kissing. Oh, you want the phone? 2 more songs that we're gonna pick. The first person out of the audience. Cottage in the green. I wrote these lines for you. Well, you need us to reach it. My little cottage in the green. Oh, nice, I love you. Brothers getting paid. Some sniffing cocaine. Some getting high. Making sense of me. Some get high. Jamming sense in me. Then go west to watch sunset. And the rich can say, but from my little cottage in the green. I wrote this line to you. From a little cottage in the green. I love you, still. Whenever I said I know too long, we're gonna move up on the sun. We're gonna move up on the sun. I love you. Hiya. Come in, Mr. Mikey Spice. Yes. The whispers in the morning. Of lovers sleeping time. Women say, only like the thunder now. As I look in your eyes. Women say, hold on to your body. The one come again, rewind. In the morning. Of lovers sleeping time. Only like the thunder now. As I look in your eyes, I hold on to your body. You have got to run out of feelings, you know. I guarantee you enough. Because I get you know, in other feelings. Alright. Not for staying. Oh, 'cause I'm your lady. Why? And I am your man. Whenever you reach for me. What we say, I do all that I can. All right, you know what after this? Who's in the audience? We're coming up. What they say? Alright, hello? 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 Hello, Aki.
Okay.
Audio, alright. You're gonna build up the guts. It's a word now. Alright, we'll look for you. We'll look for you. We'll look for you. Alright, we quick audio. We added you. When cut off,
And hang up.
get it together, trending drum. You hear me?
I call him back.
See, there's the order.
I added already. Do that already.
I don't know. Something I go on with the system, trending drama. The way it's something I go on with it. We'll have come again.
We got that.
We did.
3 times.
3 times. The way it's not coming through. Have I told you?
Have I told you
What I'm feeling.
when I hold you?
Feels like heaven
Heaven surrounds
for me. Every time you wrap your arms around me. Whoa, and there's nothing I can say or will ever do to deserve the love of a woman like you.
Tell me
How much you miss me every moment we're together. I am
brings us closer.
closer to wherever. No one wants to come to this land. I don't want to help you out and listen for me. I am to deserve the love of a woman like you. A woman like you. We're gonna be never rich. Where will I go? A woman like you. Hey.
What's your Kingston 13 of what we're ready to touch you guys?
That's what I think about getting this. You know,
Where we at?
When I hold you,
but some of our empty out the families upon you, 13 and doing fresher. When me done with you tonight, 13 and doing have a turn 14. Remember me tell you, 14 when you have a turn. You know they couldn't wear over here and pay a bag amount on a house up in my life. Yeah, pay a bag amount on a house up in my life. You understand? Yes. Honestly, when I don't walk when they sing to you. They don't walk away. No, sir. What do I know about them here? What do we know about them here? What do we flesh know about this? Morning. Oh, yeah. I when you're not cheat, you love this song. Yeah, you make the one cheat. But I know, sir, me have bad girl from magazine, and someone on the behave the panyans, and I think you understand.
Have you tried to play nothing up?
Yeah, let's go. Whatever. Whatever. It's just to someone else. As we slept the night away. Sunlight's trying to cross your secret face. Reality, we must go out. What a lonely night we had. And we shared each other's love. We forgot about. When it's so loud, you know. Yes, when you come in, you come in reach. In reach. In reach.
No. Same just to watch.
In free.
No, no, we're.
What is that?
Drinking drama?
In the house.
Yes. You're ready to start the line?
First song. I'm going to go now. Barry Hammond, right? Hold it.
Oh, you just enter and give an eye hello after you fix your
Good
body.
night, guys. Hello, Topic. Hello, Vanilla. Pleasant good evening to you, or pleasant good evening to the viewers too. Big up on the damn self. Listen, Trending Drama is here to empty these ladies like a water bucket. Right to no hitting, no nothing.
All right.
Be
Are you ready?
very clear.
All right.
Be very clear.
You run up in the eye. Bring it on. We're going to make you go first.
Hold on. Go on, play. Let me find my first song.
So,
I want to start with Barry Hammond.
Barry's Hammond. When you did that one, we don't do reggae. I want to know. Barry's Hammond. When you hear that,
Yeah.
see you sitting there brought down. You run up in the contact about Barry's Hammond. All right, I keep one. In there,
I'm here.
I went the back foot. Oh, I want to hear.
Barry's having no disturbance.
Sorry. All right. Well, prepare yourself. Hi. Oh, come on and rock me. What was that? What are you? You know it?
Are you guys here? You guys hearing?
Wow, you bet.
Are you guys hearing? Are you guys hearing?
No.
Are you hearing the song? Are you hearing the song? You're hearing? Yeah, first time in. Hold it, say that. Pull up. All right. That's number one.
You saw that thing, the zip and sound. Training drum on the zip and sound.
All right, let's go find my playlist now.
Good night, again. You can teach the trainers, yes. Put up your hand. Hey, put up your hand and unconditional love. Unconditional love. Hey. Hey, unconditional love.
Picture in my mirror, the blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach,
Fantasia, in your faces. Fantasia, in your faces. Stand at the window. What's the reason why? Tell me the reason. What's the reason? I don't want it.
Oh, yeah.
Pull up.
Pull up, man. Look how wild is it on your face. Wild is it on your face. Wild is it on your face. Why?
And I can't sweep you off of your feet. Will your mouth still remember the taste of my love?
Okay.
Will your eyes still smile from your cheek? Darling, I will
Be loving you till we're 70. People fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe it's a touch of my hand. Every single day. I just wanna tell you who I am. So honey, hey, take me into your loving arms. What me say? Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Hey, place your head on your feet.
I got one.
Come in.
Keisha, what in your faces? Keisha, what? Listen. And picking out of blood. I give my affection right from the start. And if I had a lover
Who loves me? How could I break such a heart? You can still give my attention right from the start.
why do you come here?
When you know
I got troubles.
in life.
Why do you come here?
When you know I can't answer the phone. Baby, when I don't want to, I make someone else some kind of underwear. You make me sad, when I should not. Are you so strong, or is the weakness in me? Why do you come here and pretend to respect me? I see you, and I need to hold you.
You tight, baby. Got you, Keisha White. Put up. No, put up.
One tormented sleep. Disorder has me bound to the thirsty. If I use enough, I lose out. Now what else has to fall? I need you.
And you.
Oh.
Put up. Go again. Your turn.
Me too. Never have I felt that I could be all that you see. It's like our hearts have intertwined into the perfect harmony.
On the average singing along. Okay.
You love me.
This is why I love you. This is why I love you. Because
Songs with feeling.
you love me.
Trend that rhythm while you
I fell in love with you. And no other love will do. Every moment that you smile chases all the pain away.
Hello.
Forever and a while.
Hold on.
This way you stay.
This is
Say that one. Did you say that one?
because you love
That's what?
you love me. This is why I love you. All right, give my child to come back from the
I'll play next.
Yes, sir.
Hold on.
whole life wondering when it's gonna come over to stay. You may have got heartbroken a few times in the past. Never last as long as it used to. It don't feel as good as it used to. But boy, you always do things you do. When that ooh, no more will you be the one.
Keisha Cole in your faces, right? So Keisha Cole is about. Big up Keisha Cole, the artist.
One who believes in your heart forever. A piece of me who leaves when you don't, because it's forever. You made your whole life trying to change what you need from what's in. You made your whole life into a mess, loving what you thought it couldn't be. Almost when you change and you don't feel as good as you used to. And everything you say, everything you do, bring out. Oh, no more you be the one. That's what you tell everyone around you. But you know they're hurting on the phone. Like one can say, when you love will let you. And it can't help but love. And you find yourself giving it all. Think you're in
Pull up, your turn.
That's what my son. Loving me. Oh, they're still going. Oh my God. Just to get close.
Yeah, I think I have one. I have one of those.
That's when you calling my name. And that higher. And then you scream higher.
the bravest of hearts, the strongest of souls. You are not in the dark, you're the place I go for.
Hello, can you hear me? I can't hear you.
Say it's alright.
What?
I know that you're breaking up inside. I see it cry.
What?
Giving you face good night.
I hear you.
Afraid and alone.
Oh, no.
That's why I'll be there. When storm rises up, shadows descend.
What?
Every beat of my heart, every day.
Yes, I have that. No, I'm one. Oh, yes, sir. I'm a slap them soon. I'm a slap them very soon. Wait, okay. All right, stop it there. I got one of those. All right. I'm pulling up. My time is pull up and down. Let me bring it back. All the way back. You would never be expecting this. Never be expecting this from me. So young. Surprise! Listen.
I'm here, baby. I'm ready, baby. I'm waiting on you. Only you. I am patiently waiting on you. Girl, there's something wrong with me. Every time I'm alone with you, you keep talking about me loving me. Your proclaim is on my mind. So why don't we stop all the talking, girl?
Why don't we stop wasting time? I've had my share of something
there. And if you think you can turn me out, baby, it wasn't you, 'cause you keep telling me this, telling me that. You say what's wrong with you, I'll never know that. You say there's no listen, you wanna tease.
Here I am, baby. Practice what you teach. Here I am, baby. Practice what you preach.
Yeah, it's just
Pull up, panel now, and I got out.
I can feel something right. You've been
Got
asleep
through, good girls, got through.
so long. I look in your eyes, it is the light. And you and I know there'll be a song tonight. Go in, Fletcher! This is getting serious. Are you thinking about you or us? Don't say what you're about to say. Look back before you leave my life. Be sure before you close that door. Before you roll those dice, baby, think twice. Baby, think twice for the sake of our love, for the memories, for the final faith that was you and me. Baby, I know it ain't easy when you're so broken. Just when you're halfway up, way down. This is getting serious. Are you thinking about you? Alright. Okay. What about to say? Look back before you leave our lives. Before you close that door. Before you roll those dice, baby. Come in, Mr. Fletcher. You're just warming up. nights, day and night. I don't want home if I could be with you. Only you can make it right. Special at this time of the year. I don't believe it gone, and my love is so dear. I know that's the month and the love was free, but I'm glad to say in my heart, I know my love is here. Cause every time I close my eyes, I think of you. And no matter what the season is, I still love you.
Lord Jesus.
All right, come on.
Hold on. Hold on, quiet down. Hold on.
Oh my God, son, you really cut your joints off.
What is that shit time?
Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, man.
Baby, I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell perfume, the makeup all the shoes. You don't believe in stories. You know that they're all lies. Bad as you want, stick around, and I'm so why I wasn't meant, maybe you. I worry about what I do. Back to you every night, doing you right. Deserve good things. Hands full of rings. I just want to show you your love. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Baby, good love and protection. Making you selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you. Your true beauty subscription looks so good that it hurts. You are down plus 99. Don't even know what you do. Everywhere you go, they stop and say, 'cause you're better than it shows. From your head to your toes, out of control. Only you know, baby, you know what I do. Pull up! Love you.
You can't remember what it was?
Reflecting reflections. Give your all to me. Give my all to you. You're mine and my beginning. Even when I lose, I'm winning. 'Cause I give you all of me. And you give me all of you. Oh.
I'm not ready. Keep playing. I'm not ready.
Keep playing. I'm not ready yet.
All right. Because there's no way I can do what you want.
Keep playing.
You're just not going with me.
I can't find it.
You know what? I'm going to give you 6 credits. I'm going to give 6
Big up.
in the audience, and we're going to give away 6 in our audience. See that? Yes, 6 from you pick them randomly, and we're going to give 6 in our audience randomly.
Perfect. I love you guys.
And love, that's all. It's all about
Always.
So you send me the 6 that you pick from your audience. Once you pick them, you have my WhatsApp.
I
Just
do.
send me their name and their phone service. Whether it's
Hit the sound or flow.
Yeah.
Either one.
Perfect.
Send it to
I
me,
love
okay?
you guys so much. You guys are so amazing. Thank you for having me. Fabiola, I love you too. You really are an amazing person. Chucky, you're also an amazing person. I
This is
pray
how
to God, like,
with each other.
never change.
Yes, never change.
God bless you both.
In love.
Yes.
Yes,
Perfect.
yes.
Okay.
So pay attention to the people in our audience. You pay attention to the people in your audience. You name out a winner, and then you send us their
God
information.
bless you.
All right.
Okay. I'm coming on your live now.
All right.
Bye, God. Love you.
You can do it like he's gone. In God. All right. You pressure. All right, you God.
Beautiful too. The world is beating down, down, down.
All right, let's go with the audience. Respect, attention.
You're my
Yes, right up,
distraction. My rhythm
he's gone.
can't stop singing, singing. My love for you. My head's underwater.
It's hard to pick from the audience, isn't it? Yeah. All right. Tell me how we're going to do it then. It's hard. And we don't want people to think that we know these people. We're going to do it a different way. We're going to pin the number, and the first person to call us, we're going to say after certain song will be the winner of the credits. All right? We're going to tell you after which song, and the first person to call, I think that's the fairest way to do it. Because somebody going to leave here and say, we know who we wanted to pick. So, and we don't know. You understand? So we're going to pin. We're going to pin the number to make it fair, because I don't want to pick. Because I don't want anybody to think that we know anyone, and that's why we pick them. So the fairest way to do it, I'm going to put the number in the comment. After a certain song, I'm going to say the first person to call me. So whoever that person is, after the song, they'll be the winner. I'm just going to do it like that, so that we don't have to pick. I think that's the fairest way to go.
I think that's fair.
Yes, so that nobody will say we know who we pick and why we pick them. We don't want that.
The first person to get through.
Right, the first person to get through to us. All right, with that number. You pin the number?
I can't pin it. I can only put it in the comment because I have to keep
It
the
can't
copyright.
pin because we already pinned something in the
Right, we
comment.
have to keep the copyright in
We
there.
have to keep the copyright in there. So look out for this number that we're about to send in the feed right now. And save that number. We just put it in the feed. All right? We just put it in the comment section. So that is the number. I will tell you guys after which song to call. The first person to get through, that's the person. We have 6 sets of those. So I'll tell you when, after which song. All right? Big up on the sound. Enjoy the love zone tonight. Right up in the chocolate factory, yes. If I never feel your tender kiss again, if I never feel I love you now and then, will I never make love to you once again? Please understand, keep loving. That I promise you that I shall never breathe again, that I shall never breathe again.
And I can't stop thinking about the way that we used to be. And I can't stop thinking about the love that you made me. And I can't get you out of my travel of my life, and I just can't do without the center of my life, and I can't get you out of my head, and I know.
What me say? Songs with feelings. Shines back on his best friend. Whoops. That's my fault. We can't play them too long now. What me say? I don't know for what it is. What me say? Sleep out in the rain, huh? Sleep out in the rain. Hiya. Exercise, that's the way. Yeah, I want to be. What is someone saying? May I mix it up, may I mix it up, may I mix it up? Alright. Alright, I'm getting a little action to the power I do. Wait. Okay, wait. Get a little action. For you, I give a lifetime of stability. Anything you want me. All right, people, everybody come down here. The top one is for you, there are no words or ways to show my love. For all the thoughts I'm thinking of. For this life is no good. No. Since we've become a made a change, everything I do now makes sense. And all sin, all I do is for you. Calm it down, calm it down, calm it down, calm it down. Be the first caller, come on. All right. All right. Hello. Hello. Good evening. Congratulations. You're our first winner tonight in the Lump Zone. All right. You're welcome.
Can you text us your name and your phone service and the number you want us to send the credits to, please?
All right, congrats.
Thank you.
All right, let's go again. Let's go. I'm gonna go fast. Hold on. Who knows the snow? Only you. Must have realized my feelings until I had them. But when I get up to learn to tell you the words, just never seem to come out. Oh, yeah.
only you know how much I do to love you. Only you know how much I do need you. I dream of moments we share, but you're not there.
Take me all back.
A few moments is all that we share. You've got your family and they need you there. Though I try to resist being last on your list, but no one's gonna do. Someone standing on my love for you. It's not very easy.
Come on now, call me. Come on now and call me, call me. Come on. There we go. Hello.
Hello, good night.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening. Congratulations. You are a winner in the Love Zone tonight. What is your name?
So this is Lorraine Felix, but I'm going to share this credit with somebody in Jamaica.
All right, Lorraine. All right. Can you go ahead and text us that person's phone service and name, please? You
Thank
are
you.
welcome. All right, congrats.
Congratulations.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
That's not what I wanted. Yeah, this was my wedding song.
Look in your eyes, and there I see
Yes.
just what you need to be. Here in my heart, I believe
Your love is all I ever.
oh, then you're lost through the night.
Do that.
I need
We have chorus. Okay.
look in your eyes, and there I see love that we share makes life so sweet. Together we'll always be. It's like a love feels so right, and who I need. Here and now, I promise to love faithfully.
Here we are, the two of us together, taking this crazy chance to be all alone. We both know that we should not be together, 'cause if we found out it could mess up both our happy home, I hate to think about us all in love together.
Call me now. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Congratulations, who's this? Say your name, Shantomia. Congratulations, sweetie. You're a winner tonight in the Love Zone. You're welcome. You're welcome. Tell your mommy to text us your name and your phone service, all right, to this number. Okay, sweetheart. Congratulations. Bye-bye. All right, honey. Oh, it's the... I didn't know it was the karaoke. I thought it was the music itself, a karaoke. Oh. You held me in your arms and make love to me. You feel my arms desire. Your hands caress me. Your body possess me. Now I'll keep you if I could. If time would stand still and leave us both this way, you know what? I'll be satisfied being here with you. Ah, yes, you set my mind on fire. The time you're near, my body and soul belongs to you. Don't you ever say we're through. Come again now. You held me in your arms and make love to me. You feel my heart desire. Your hands caress me. Your body possess me. Now I keep you if I could. If time would stand still and leave us both this way, you know what? I'll be satisfied being here with you. Ah, yes, you set my mind on fire. The time you need, my body and soul belongs to you. Oh, don't
feeling love on the side. You don't belong to me, and I don't belong to you. Still we're together. If that's enough for you, it's enough for me. Your time is here. You gotta leave and go on to your family. And your woman, she'll be waiting there for you. Yes, there's no explaining of the love we share. It's just between us two. And you can't stay away from me, and I can't stay away from you. Baby, we belong. And that's right, we're still in love all the time. Still in love all the time. You don't belong to me, and I don't belong to you. But still we're together. If that's enough for you, it's enough for me. We're still in love. We're still in love. Right on the side. Oh, we're still in love. Oh, on the side. You don't belong to me, and I don't belong to you. So we're together. If that's enough for you, it's enough for me. We're still in love. We're still in love. Right on the side. Baby, we're still in love. Oh, on the side. You don't belong to me. I don't belong to you. So we're together. If that's enough for you, it's enough for me. Yes, yes, Carmen. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Hello, good night. Congratulations. You are a winner. Who am I speaking to? Danique. Congratulations, Danique. And will you just send me, you're welcome. Will you just send me your name and your phone service? And if this is, yes, and if this is the number you want us to send you the credits to, just let us know as well, okay?
Okay, thanks much.
You're welcome. Ah, yes. Come on. I'm so in love with you. Whatever you want to do is all right with me. You make me feel celebrating. That's right. You say thing, baby. Since we've been together, ooh, loving you forever is what I need. Love me, while you come running to.
spoken are come true. Oh, baby, oh, let's stay together, loving you right. My love, there's only you in my life.
Sad face, the only thing that's right. We love you, sad face, our first love. Beautiful sad face, you're every step that I take. You're every step of the way. Let me sing the sad face, man. Go ahead. Sing the sad face. Your sad face, you tell me how much you care. Oh yes, you will always be our endless love. Let's start your piece of this. Let's go with it. Let's sing to them. Yes, let's sing to them. Yeah, let's sing for them. Without thoughts about it, let's sing to them. There's only you in my life. The only thing that's right. Sad face, our first love. Your every breath that we take. Your every step we make. I wanna share all my life with you. No other life will do. They tell me you care. Sad face, you will always be our endless love. Hope you feel better after this. Two hearts that beat as one. Our lives have just begun. Forever, I'll hold you closely. All right, call me. Because we're going to start the one over for the sad face. We have to serenade them tonight. Yes.
Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Good night.
Congratulations, your next winner. Who are we speaking to? Shanika. Congratulations, Shanika. Let your mommy text us your name and your phone service, okay?
Yes. Thank you.
You're most welcome. All right. I'm going from the top. Let me sing this to the sad face. Let me sing it to the sad face. My love, my sad face. There's only you on our life. That's sad. Our sad faces. You're everywhere that I take. You're every step I make. I wanna block you when I'm done. It's true.
Our lives has just begun. What a nice song to make something on your music, huh? I hold you close and close. I can't resist your charm. Oh, Lord, I'll be a fool for you, I'm sure. You know I don't mind, and I will raise His love. I'll be living in tomorrow too. Oh yes, I'll get up in this beautiful place. No matter what you do. And you'll be a loser, loser. And love, I'll be a fool. I'm Call me. Now follow them people. They're not alive. Them son. We're not going to play on my mind. Hello, good night. Good night. Congratulations. You're a winner. Who am I speaking to? Who? Kim. All right. Congratulations, Kim. Go ahead and text us your name and your phone service. All right?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Love you too. Love you too. Good night. Semester. Woo! Darling, I can't stay. Till we lose our way. Girl, it's driving me insane. And I know I just need one more chance to prove my love to you. If you come back to me, I'll guarantee I'll never let you go. Go back to the days of love. When perfect love goes wrong, can somebody tell me how to get things back the way they used to be? Oh God, give me the reason I'm down on bended knee. Oh, I never walked that. Come back to me. So many nights loving you. Well, reality, and the more that we do, it seems like a dream. I'm begging you, begging you, don't make this I remember calling on Lily V earlier. I'm still gonna play her song.
I dedicate this song to all of you in the world, you know. And I said that to be the whole world because everybody needs
Alright, I'm gonna play a song for Lady V.
to love.
When it's cold outside,
Girl, who are you? You're the
what do I want to talk about?
And I'm talking about this woman I have. She's always complaining with the way she got to.
And it seems some girlfriend got it.
But lady, I will let you know I can be a different
If you think you're lonely now,
oh yeah.
wait until tonight, girl.
Oh, you better wait till tonight. Yeah, baby. I'll be loved. Yes, I will.
All right, I want to dedicate this song. I want to dedicate this song to a queen. Lady V, this song is for you tonight. We just want to let you know that you are so highly respected and we love you, sister. And we just want to dedicate this song to you, all right? Yes.
Something about the way she looks. I can't figure it out. It's something about her. It's something about the kind of woman that wants you to turn me to. Hey, I can't figure it out. It's something about her. Cause she walks like a boss, talks like a boss, manicure nails just like the pedicure raw. She's like effortlessly. She move like the boss, she is the boss. She got me thinking about getting on the hey. That's the kind of girl I need.
Hey, that's why I love her. Lives independent.
Won't you come and
Stay a little time, she gotta go, baby. That's why I love her.
lives independent? Ooh, yeah, shine. It's independent. There's something about the kind of woman that can do for herself. I look at her and it makes me proud. There's something about her. Something also makes me proud.
I'm a queen. You know you're a queen. Style so yours. Yes. Straight like crown.
She work
Like a boss.
play like a boss. For any dream she got to pay him no for. And the bills are paid on time. She make
The boss.
only the boss. Anything that she telling them to get.
All my independent ladies. Inside. This is our factory tonight. That's why I love her. Is independent.
Won't you tell me, spend a little time.
She got a
One day, that's why I love her. It's independent. Ooh, the way I shine. It's independent. Everything you say, don't worry, I got it. Everything she got, best believe she bought it. She gon' steal my heart, ain't no doubt about it. Girl, you're everything I need. Said you're everything I
All right. How many more we have?
That's it.
That's it?
Yeah, 24.
Guess it's true, I'm not good at understand. But I still need love, cause I'm just a man. These nights never seem to go too fast. I don't want you to leave, will you hold my hand? Oh, won't you stay with me? Cause you're all I need. Is it nothing to see? But baby, stay with me. Why am I so emotional? No, it's not a good look, it's in self-control. Deep down I know this never works, but you can lay with me so it doesn't hurt. Oh, won't you stay with me? Cause you're all I need. This ain't love, it's clear to see, but darling, stay with me.
I can't play them all the way out, so yeah.
Come on and break these strings around me. Don't learn to fly again. Maybe hard, I'll do it. When I'm back on my feet again.
Soon these tears will all be dry. Soon these eyes will see the sun. Might take time, but I'll see it. When I'm back on my feet again. When I'm back on my feet again. I'm proud of this.
It's a ever-changing time. I see that clock on the wall, but it don't bother me at all. It's a ever-changing time. And the ever-changing time. Everything is going so much faster. It seems like I'm working alive in everything I do. Wondering if the dreams that I believed in will come true. Caught between, it comes back to you and me running out of time. Don't find me a better understanding. Somebody so much it makes you cry. Have you ever needed something so sad you can't sleep at night? Have you ever tried to find the words but they don't come on right? Have you ever been in love so bad? You do anything to make them understand.
Yeah, Facebook kept freezing, so we're not seeing the comments, guys.
Stay hard away.
We're not seeing the comments.
You give anything to make you feel
say? Have you ever searched for words to get you in the arm, but you don't know what to say, and you don't know what to start? Have you ever loved somebody so much it makes me?
Somebody want to pull up on this? I'm not sure for this. Yeah.
Somebody so much it makes me
We just now start seeing the comments, so I don't know if it's it.
needed something so sad you can't sleep at night.
Guys, we have reached the end of the credits, so yes, you're calling. Yeah, we've reached the end of taking calls for the credits, alright?
Have you ever been in love so bad? You'll do anything to make them understand. Have you ever had someone stay hard away? You give anything.
Beat up yourself.
Make them feel the same.
Alright, thank you, Tina, for the stars.
The words to get you
Hi, Susan.
but you don't know what
Fly girl, how you doing? Fly girl.
to start. Have you ever loved somebody so much it makes you
Angela. Pick up yourself, Angela. Nadine Brown, how you doing? Millicent, Diane. Diane, yourself. Come on, have you ever? Have you ever? Can't wait for long guys.
Lorraine Felix, pick up yourself.
Pick up yourself, Lorraine.
Sonia.
Yes. Yes, yes. Laura, Gibson, pick up yourself. Oh, God. Okay. I didn't want to tell you.
call me
Roaches.
and I'll
Charmaine, pick up yourself. Jean.
sleep.
Rosalind, pick up yourself. Nadine, pick up yourself. Alicia. Gucci, pick up yourself. Gucci. Sonia. Lots of love back at you. Yeah, Charlie Cross, pick up yourself. Kim, pick up yourself. Kim, Sophia. Nicole of Martin. Anne-Marie. Tell me what you want me to do. Karen, thank you, Karen Kingston. You're a beautiful queen, just as well. Monique, you feeling good? You feel, oh, Stephanie Miller, I got that, girl. You're a mind reader. You know I got that song nice. Yeah, Stephanie Miller, I feel good. Alicia, pick up yourself. Lovely. Latoya Williams.
It hurts me deep.
Nation Henry. Oh, we say that right. Yeah. Irene Williams. Pick up yourself. Karen Angel. Ophelia. Pick up yourself. Donna Stans. Monique Wilson. Jules, pick up yourself. What do you want me to do?
My love is always there for you. So tell me what you want.
up yourself.
Erika.
Erika. Yeah.
Hello.
Big up yourself. Tiana. How you doing? Tanisha. How you doing? Latoya.
Elvia.
Angela.
You and your expression shows it. There is sunshine inside of you. Just to be it's so exciting. The thought it could happen to me. It's
Rosemary Brand.
Rosemary Brand, pick up yourself.
Everyone singing
I
it.
feel good. Ever blessed, Vicky.
Ladies first.
Yes. Vicky. Jeanette. How you doing? I feel good. I feel
Slow, this one.
get through one night without you? If I had to live without you, what kind of life would that be? Oh, I need you in my arms, need you to hold. You're all my heart restored. You never leave. Baby, you would take away everything good in my life. And tell me now, how do I live without you? I want to know, how do I breathe without you? If you have a door, how do I
gonna send the material mic, that one. Where you use it for?
She don't use it.
We are using it for something else.
Yeah.
I need you. All my shining star. Don't you go away.
Oh, baby.
What I need, right here where you are, till my dying day.
So we try to find
A love like yours and mine.
Girl, don't you realize how you hypnotize? Make me love you more each time. Yeah, baby. Honey, I'll never leave you lonely. Give my love to you.
Come in with them.
Until you came along, the sunshine, I was afraid. When your love found me so I was so blind. With my eyes are down, I can't see that you understand. You're all the one that should be.
And it's you, baby, that makes me choose tomorrow. And it's you, baby,
Oh, that takes away my sorrow. We'll always be together. There ain't nobody better. Our love will last forever.
someone to hold,
Girl, you're my everything.
to call my own. Every single day of my life. Straight from you. All right, guys, I'm gonna play one more and we're out of here.
Someone's left you on the way. The look on your face, I
See, it's true.
It's freezing. Freezing. Freezing.
tell me about the plans you made. Oh, tell me one thing more before.
Oh, they said we have to do this together. Well,
You know this? I saw it. Come in. Mikey.
Another day is gone. I'm still all alone. How could this be?
oh, you're not here with me. Never say goodbye.
Someone tell me why this has to go. Leave my world so cold. Every day I see as myself. How did I
Something whispers in my ear that says that you are not alone.
I give you?
unbelievable how I used to say I found that love. The basis you need to know if you don't know just how I feel. And let me show you now that I'm for real. If all things in time will reveal. Yeah. One, you're like a dream come true. Two, just wanna be with you. Three, it's plain to see that you're the only one for me. Four, steps 1, 2, 3. 5, make fall in love with me. If ever I believe my work is done, and I'm sorry I can one. Yeah. So grateful the way things work themselves out. And so emotional. And you know I can't take things from either sometimes. Undesirable for us to be apart. Never would have made it very far. 'Cause you know you got the keys to my heart. And one.
Sorry, it cut me off.
We belong together. And you know that forever. Why do you play with my heart? Why do you play with my heart? Say we be forever. Say never. Why do you love me and leave me and never say goodbye? Don't realize you've never been there before. It's only your first time. Baby, I'm in you. Baby, you're welcome, you're welcome. We should be happy together forever. You and I. We remember King. We celebrated him earlier. Yes, the honorable. Yes, the man. His birthday today. Yes, that's the first we started off with every song that you belong to me. I belong to you.
I'm here for you. All those times that night when you just heard me.
Yes, guys. Although we come to the end of the road tonight.
You just don't.
Yes, we will be back on Wednesday night, alright? Thank you guys for joining us. We hope you had a wonderful evening with us because we're sure they'll have a wonderful evening with you guys.
Yes, thank you for joining us. Thank you for participating.
Friendly, pick up yourself the way. Pick up to all the people.
all the winners for credit tonight, and for all the trenders, for the lucky trenders who are going to receive credits. Congratulations. It was so much fun. It just goes to show that we can interact with each other in a positive and fun way. Yes. All right, bless up yourself. Have a wonderful week. Be safe. All right. Take care and good night. All right. Good night. From the chocolate factory, all right? Forward in all things. Remember, love conquers all. God is still God. Yes? See you guys back here Wednesday night, all right? Good night.